Hello, this is the lecture number 3 for the chapter integration, and in the last lecture we have discussed the exercise 7.1. Now this exercise 7.2 is integration, in which you have to substitute some function and integrate, that is integration by substitution. Now it is very important to find that function you have to let and then integrate. Now in question number 1, you have to integrate 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. And how you have to integrate by substitution? You see that the derivative of 1 plus x square is equal to 2x. So the derivative of 1 plus x square is given, so you let 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now find the value of dx. How can we obtain dx? Because we have to convert all the variables from x to t, because we have let 1 plus x square is equal to t. So dt upon dx will be equal to 2x. The value of dx will be equal to dt upon 2x. So simply replace the value of dx as dt upon 2x. This is dt upon 2x, 2x as it is, and 1 plus x square we have let it equal to x. So 2x will be cancelled out with 2x. We have obtained only 1 plus t with respect to t, and we know the integration of 1 upon x is log mod x, that is in place of t x we have t. So it is log of mod t, and we have let the t as 1 plus x square. So this is the method you have to do in the full exercise to have to find the function where you can let, so that the extra part of the integration will be cancelled out, and after integration replace the value of the variable you have let. So in this we have let 1 plus x square because is equal to t, because the derivative of 1 plus x square is given. So you have to find it very carefully to what you have to let here. Now see it here, because 1 log x whole square upon x with respect to x, because the derivative of log x is 1 upon x, which is given here 1 upon x. So let log x is equal to t. So dt upon dx is equal to 1 upon x. So dx is equal to x dt. Replace the value of dx as x dt. This is equal to t and x as it is. The x will be cancelled out with x. So you are getting only t square. And the integration of t square is t ki power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. That is t ki power 3 upon 3. So it is what you have let t log x. So log x ka whole cube upon 3 plus c. So like this you have to do this exercise. Now in question number 3, you can let 1 plus log x will be equal to t, because the derivative of 1 plus log x is equal to 1 upon x, which will be cancelled out as 1 upon x. So let 1 plus log x equal to t. So dt upon dx will be equal to 1 upon x. So x will be equal to x dt. So x is equal to x, dx is equal to x dt, x as it is, and 1 plus log x is equal to t. X will be cancelled out, so it is equal to 1 upon t, which is integration will be log of mod t plus c. Replace the value of t, which is 1 plus log x plus c. In question number 4, you can let cos x is equal to t, because the derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x is given here. So we let cos x is equal to t. So dt upon dx is equal to minus sin x, and dx will be equal to dt upon minus sin x. So replace the value of dx is equal to dt upon sin x, cos x is equal to t, and sin x as it is. Sin x will be cancelled out with sin x. We are getting only sin t, and the integration of sin t is equal to minus cos t. So it will become plus, and replace the value of t, which is equal to cos x. So this is the method you have to use in this exercise to find the derivative by substitution, but you have to find which term you have to let here. Now in question number 5, you can do it in 3 to 4 ways. I have done here like this. This is sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b. This angle is same, so I am multiplying divided by 2, so that it become a formula of 2 sin x into cos x, which is equal to sin 2x. So 2 sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b will become equal to sin 2 ax plus b with respect to x. Now you let here 2 ax plus b is equal to t. So it will be, the derivative will be dt upon dx will be equal to 2a, and the derivative dx will be equal to dt upon 2a. Replace it here, dt upon 2a, and you have let 2ax plus b is equal to t. So I have replaced it here t, and the integration of sin t is minus cos t, and replace the value of t like this. Now the second method you can do it, you can let sin ax plus b is equal to t. In the third method you can let cos ax plus b is equal to t. The answer will vary, because in trigonometric integration the answer can vary. Okay, so you can do it in 3 ways. Now in question number this 6 under root ax plus b, you can let ax plus b is equal to t. So dt upon dx will be equal to a, replace, and the dx will become dt upon a. You can you can do one more step here. A will be equal to dt upon dx, so dx will be equal to dt upon dt upon a. So root t dt upon a, integration of t की power half will be t की power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 into 1 upon a. Replace the value of t, which is ax plus b. So somewhat easy questions. Now see it very carefully, question number 7 and question number 9 also. Now integration of x root x plus 2. What you have to do it very carefully. Now let x plus 2 is equal to t. So the derivative of this will be dx upon dt is equal to 1. So dx is equal to dt. So it will become root t dx is equal to dt. We have still here x. Now because we have converted dx into dt, all the terms should be in t. So we have to convert this x into t also. Now what we have left, x plus 2 is equal to t. So the value of x will be equal to 2 minus t. This is the main step here. X will be equal to t minus 2, because we have to integrate with respect to t. So all the terms should be in terms of t. Multiply and open the bracket, t into root t will be equal to t की power 3 by 2 minus 2 t की power half, integrated t की power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. You can use one more step. I have integrated directly, t की power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus c, and replace the value of t, which is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 here, or you can take first of all t की power 3 by 2 common, so it will become t and it will become 2 upon 3. Then put the value of t as x plus 2. Now see it here, 1 plus 2x square, you can let it 1 plus x square is equal to t. So the dt upon dx will be equal to 4x, 2x square will be 4x, and dx will be equal to dt upon 4x. Put it here, dt upon 4x, x will be cancelled out. So you have to integrate only root t, which you know how to integrate, t की power half plus 1 upon half plus 1. You can simply integrate. So this is somewhat long exercise. So you take your own time to do this, because then only you'll have a good command over this integration. In question number 9 is also very easy. If you let x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t, so dt upon dx will be 2x plus 2. Replace the value of dx as dt, which will be dx will be equal to dt upon 2x plus 1. This is equal to t, and you can take 2 common here, so that 2x plus 1 will be cancelled over 2x plus 1. So all the terms are in terms of t. With respect to t, so you can integrate t की power half, which is t की power half plus 1 upon half plus 1, which is 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and replace the value of t. This question number 10 is somewhat different. It is a unique step to do this question. It is 1 upon x minus root x. Now I am taking root x common in x and root x. So it will be, if you take root x common from x, it will be equal to root x. So 1 upon root x is root x minus 1. Now you can take root x minus 1 is equal to t. So dt upon dx will be equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x minus 0. Replace the value of dx, which is 2 root x dt. Here root x will be cancelled over the root x, and root x minus 1 you have let it equal to t. So in the integration of log 1 upon t is log t mod t, and replace the value of t, which is root x minus 1. It is a good question. Now this is the question number 11. It's just same as question number we have done earlier, that is the question number 7. If you let x plus 4 is equal to t, dt will be equal to dx. Replace dx by dt, x plus 4 is equal to t, but we'll still have x here. So we have to convert this into t by this term, that is we have let x plus 4 is equal to t. So x will be equal to t minus 4. Break into two terms. You know how to integrate t की power half and t की power minus half using the formula t की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 1 upon n plus 1. After that, you replace the value of t, which is equal to x plus 4 and x plus 4. Question number 13 is somewhat easy. If you let 2 plus 3x square is equal to t, this x square will be cancelled out. So let 2 plus 3x square x cube is equal to t. So dt upon dx will be equal to 9x square. Replace it here, dt upon 9x square. This you have let it equal to t, and x square here. X square will be cancelled out with x square. You have to integrate only t की power minus 3. You can put one step more before this. So t की power minus 3 integration is t की power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. It will be t की power minus 2, so it will become 1 upon t square and replace the value of t as 2 plus 3x cube whole square. So this is the question number 13. In 14 again, you can easily tell what you have to let. If you let log x equal to t, this 1 upon x will be cancelled out. So you are letting log x is equal to t, so dt upon dx will be equal to 1 upon x. So the value of dx is x dt. So replace the value of dx as x dt. Log x is equal to t की power m and x will be there. X will be cancelled out with x. So it will become 1 upon t की power m. Now this is the main step from this to this. 1 upon t की power m, how you have to integrate 1 upon t की power m? You take t की power m to the numerator, so it will become t की power minus m, because we know the formula of x की power n, integration of x की power n, to convert into that form. So take t की power m to the numerator will become t की power minus m. Now you can integrate t की power minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1 and replace the value of t, which is log x. So log x की power minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1. This is question number 12, is also a good question. You have to arrange the function very carefully. Now you can let x cube minus 1 is equal to t, which is dt upon dx will become 3x square. So to put the value of dx, which is equal to dt upon 3x square, x की power 5 as it is, this we have let equal to t. So t की power 1 upon 3. So simplify this, x की power 5 upon x square will become x cube. Now all the terms come converted into t except this x cube. Now you have to replace the value of x cube in terms of t, which you can put it from here, that is x cube is equal to t plus 1, this t plus 1. Multiply and open the bracket, taking care of the laws of exponents, and integrate by using the formula of x की power n, integration of x की power n, which is equal to t की power 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 upon 3 plus 1, t की power 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 1 upon 3 plus 1. You take your own time to do the calculation. After that, you can replace the value of t, which is x cube minus 1. We have let it here. Now this is an easy question, x upon minus 9 minus 4x square, because the derivative of this will be x. So let 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. So dt upon dx will be equal to minus 8x. So dx will be dt upon minus 8, and replace the value of dx. X will be cancelled out. It is only 1 upon t. So 1 upon t integration is log t, and replace the value of t, which is 9 minus 4x square. In question number 16, to e की power 2x plus 3 integration, you can do it directly as we have discussed in the beginning of the first exercise. The integration direct integration of this e की power 2x plus 3 divided by the derivative of 2x plus 3, which is equal to 2. But if you have to do it by substitution, so let 2x plus 3 is equal to t and proceed. Okay, we'll discuss the in the next lecture. Thank you.